देखिए आपके कंट्रोल में है कि आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं.
अच्छा, आई वांटेड यू टू कमेंट ऑन द बोर्डम थिंग,
Boredom
बिकॉज
thing.
हमारा जो थॉट पैटर्न है, हम जब भी फ्लक्स में रहते हैं, जब भी काम करते रहते हैं, तो हम उस वक्त देयर आर हाई चांसेस वी आर पॉजिटिव, वी आर मोर प्रोडक्टिव. लेकिन जब आप थॉट प्रोसेस को एंड कर दें, ओके, यू आर सिटिंग फ्री, there are higher chances that you're going to get negative thoughts, you're going to get unnecessary thoughts. There's a lot of background noise at that point of time. Okay? How to address that and still have that silence time, because we cannot function all the time, we cannot be hyperactive all the time.
Yeah.
But how about having a peaceful, calm time
Yeah.
without having this, how to conquer your mind at very much that point of time. बिकॉज उस वक्त आपको कोई थॉट नेसेसरी करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. समटाइम्स इट्स जस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव दैट काम टाइम टू योर सेल्फ. What to do at that point of time? How to be okay with the boredom? That's something.
You have to train for that, unfortunately. It doesn't happen overnight. देखिए ना, असल में पता है क्या बात है, आपको अपने आप को इंस्पायर करना होता है. Sometimes you have to be your inspiration if there's nobody else to tell this to you. You want to be at peace so you can be better at what you're doing in the future. That should be your inspiration. You see, you have to train this. You have to basically tell yourself, and it's not that when you're free. आप जो हो वो एक तो बात ये कि मैंने जो आजकल जो प्रॉब्लम, इनफैक्ट मैं I'll explain why I think that Stoicism has kind of helped me. If you're thinking about meaningful things, you'll never get bored. Meaningful things and purposeful things, if you have those, you never get bored. फर्ज करें कि मैं फ्री टाइम में भी जब मैं लेटा होता हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ ये सोच रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम अ प्रोग्रामर, आई एम अ गेम डेवलपर, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अच्छा मैंने जो ये चीज़ की थी, क्या मैं इसको अगर इस तरीके से करता, शायद अगले दिन जो है मैं ये कोड को इधर से इधर लेके आऊँगा तो शायद ये जो है बेहतर फंक्शन करेगा. बोर्डम के अंदर भी कुछ ना कुछ मैं एक मीनिंगफुल चीज़ सोच रहा हूँ जिसकी वजह से नेगेटिव चीज़ें नहीं मेरे ज़हन में आ रही होती. उसके अलावा जहाँ तक नथिंगनेस की बात है कि यू वांट टू एंटर स्टेट ऑफ नथिंगनेस, उसके लिए ट्रेनिंग चाहिए होती है. जो रोगन की पॉडकास्ट के अंदर एक आया था इंसान जिसने ये कहा था कि जब वो नथिंगनेस की स्टेट में जाता है, देन ही कैन जस्ट लाइक ही बेसिकली he tells his mind to just completely turn off. He kind of starts floating in the air, like that happens, like he feels high without actually taking any drugs. You have to train yourself for that, but then you have to listen. People say that I do not know whether this is true for you. People think that when they're not doing anything, they are being useless. Sometimes they think that, right? And the reason why negative things at that time happen because people are not trained to enjoy boredom. There's also a thing that you can actually enjoy boredom. There's a thing you can enjoy just lying down doing nothing after working hard. Just lie down, enjoy that. Enjoy this moment that you have a ceiling that you're underneath, the bed is comfortable. Probably just have this ASMR. There are ASMR videos that you can watch, or ASMR sounds, like the sound of a fan blowing. वो भी sounds होती हैं, put them in your ear, relaxing sounds. Or what you can do is you can basically have this thought in your brain, create an imagination that you're lying down and that bed is inside of a spaceship with that sound. तो वो एक बड़ी अच्छी एक feeling होती है, because at that time you're relaxing. आप कभी बार ये भी कर सकते हैं कि you can imagine yourself being in, let's say, a futuristic 5-star spaceship, और उसकी sounds आप वो लगा सकते हैं उसके अंदर. There are many ways to enjoy boredom. Being doing nothing and just enjoying being in an imaginary world where everything is fine, everybody's smiling, everybody is successful and stuff, those kind of things. When you start enjoying those things, manifesting things, you'll be fine. But you have to train yourself to enjoy boredom. It's not going to happen overnight. In fact, I enjoy boredom a lot. मैं तो कहता हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें ज़हन में चल रही होती हैं. जब मुझे कोई टाइम मिलता है पीस का, I'm like, हाँ, इससे बेहतर कोई चीज़ नहीं है, काश 1,000 साल तक मैं और कर सकता होता. Sometimes that happens. It's difficult. You have to train yourself.